Hello friends, welcome to my ninth video, 24 sentence of future tense. First tense is future simple tense. 6 sentence of future simple tense. First sentence is affirmative sentence. Hemender will go to Khatu. Second sentence is negative sentence. Hemender will not go to Khatu. Third sentence is interrogative sentence. Will Hemender go to Khatu? Fourth sentence is interrogative negative sentence. Will Hemender not go to Khatu? Fifth sentence is WS positive sentence. Why will Hemender go to Khatu? Sixth sentence is WS negative sentence. Why will Hemender not go to Khatu? Second tense is future continuous tense. Six sentence of future continuous tense. First sentence is affirmative sentence. Hemender will be going to Khatu. Second sentence is negative sentence. Hemender will be not going to Khatu. Third sentence is interrogative sentence. Will be Hemender going to Khatu? Fourth sentence is interrogative negative sentence. Will be Hemender not going to Khatu? Fifth sentence is WS positive sentence. Why will be Hemender going to Khatu? Sixth sentence is WS negative sentence. Why will be Hemender not going to Khatu? Third tense is future perfect tense. Six sentence of future perfect tense. First sentence is affirmative sentence. Hemender will have go to Khatu. Second sentence is negative sentence. Hemender will have not go to Khatu. Third sentence is interrogative sentence. Will have Hemender go to Khatu. Fourth sentence is WS negative sentence. Will have Hemender not go to Khatu. Fifth sentence is WS positive sentence. Why will have Hemender go to Khatu? Sixth sentence is WS negative sentence. Why will have Hemender not go to Khatu? Fourth tense is future perfect continuous tense. Sixth sentence of future perfect continuous tense. First sentence is affirmative sentence. Hemender will have been going to Khatu since 10 January. Second sentence is negative sentence. Hemender will have been not going to Khatu since 10 January. Third sentence is interrogative sentence. Will have been Hemender going to Khatu since 10 January. Fourth sentence is interrogative negative sentence. Will have been Hemender not going to Khatu since 10 January. Fifth sentence is WS positive sentence. Why will have been Hemender going to Khatu since 10 January. Sixth sentence is WS negative sentence. Why will have been Hemender not going to Khatu since 10 January. Thanks for sharing and watching my video.